welcome to Wildflower. My name is Romina Rasmussen, and I'm the pastry chef at Les Madeleines in Salt Lake City. And today we're going to be making some mini lemon tarts, and which would be great on a dessert bar or a petit four plate. And we're going to do a little differently. We're going to use a little cream cheese in this recipe. So I have a cup of lemon curd and about half a pound of cream cheese, and we're going to combine them, and it's going to make it nice and pipeable. So I'm going to my cream cheese is room temperature, and we just want to paddle it up till it's kind of smooth because I don't want it to be lumpy. So we're going to paddle it for just a moment before we add our lemon curd. And you can use homemade lemon curd or store-bought lemon curd, whatever it is that you have. This is actually made with Meyer lemons, which is one of my favorite citrus. All right, you want to scrape it down. Whenever you're working with cream cheese, whether you're making cheesecake or anything, it's really important to scrape down your bowl often so that it doesn't end up with lumps. I'm not adding any extra sugar to this because there's enough in the lemon curd, and I don't want it to be overly sweet. I still want the tartness of actually both the lemons and the cream cheese. So to me, this sounds like a match made in heaven. All right, we are smooth, so I am just going to put all that in there. Okay. We'll turn it back on and cream it together. I've got some little pre-made tart shells all ready to go. These are great because they come in different shapes and sizes, so because it's really hard to make little teeny tiny tart shells. Okay, that's better. All right, fill my bag. Got a French tip on here. You don't want one that's too big for your mold. And then we are going to go nice and tall with it. Oops. Runaway pastry shells. There we go. And that is how you make a mini lemon tart.